Hello. How's it going, everybody? Happy Tuesday, because I'm late. Hey. Welcome to me. Let's just close down a bunch of things. Doop doop da boop pop boop pop. All right. What the hell? Random music editing. A little weird. Well, let's get the chat going. Still getting used to this the whole YouTube shorts live feed. All right. How do you chat? I don't know. It's been a long one. All right. Should be good. How do you chat? No. Oh, live chat. On. What if I wanted to chat? The hell? Okay, there we go. Chat's here. All right. Happy Tuesday. What's going on? Well, because I'm late. That was weird. Because I'm late, I didn't get myself some water, but that's fine. All right. Yep. Monday was hard. It's okay though. We'll get through. Just hey, great news! Got the book back from the proofreaders. Check it out. Whoop. We got it back. So I'm trying to figure out how to transfer italics over to InDesign, and so far it's kind of difficult. So I'm trying to figure that out right now. Let's see if I can edit these. Edit. Why is it saying that? It's really weird. it. Oh shit. Save. So I'm trying to update this. I don't know why the YouTube stream content got all fucked up. It like took some like old stream data. Why is it not letting me type? Thumbnail. Yeah, I guess the thumbnail's fine. Save. Okay. Now this one. I want to make sure this doesn't go to... How do you... Yeah, I can't update customization. Shit. Save changes. Go. Here we go. Live chat, live reaction. Let's shoot. It's not letting me update the settings. Alright, that's fine. I'll just unlist it when I'm done. Alright. Yeah. Anyways. Looks back. Trying to figure out how to... See, it looks like I can update... I can select everything italic. But I need to figure out how to replace it with... What was it? What was it? It's like... or something like that. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to replace the italics with something that I can target. Because for some reason... italics with... No, whatever. Copy italics to InDesign. I'm having an issue with this. So this one I saw? You can download Google Docs, useful, blah blah blah. No, it wasn't this one. This one? No, I already know about that one. No, it wasn't this. Was it? No. I don't know which one it was. Was it this one? No. Well, I'm gonna figure it out because I need to turn it in the entire book very soon. So that'll be very important. Because right now I'm, you know, copy and pasting the actual content into the typesetting. And yeah. Anyways. let's get the game going. Huh? That sounds like fun. What did I do? I already got the leveling system working. Let's push that up. I don't think I pushed that code up yet. Stage. Let's get this going. Alright, let's let that deploy for a second. I'll be right back. Wait. Is that lava? The long lost lava? Mister, I'm too busy for Orb of Mortar. What we doing? Yeah, I was working on I was just showing I got the book back from the proofreader, and I have to turn it in basically tomorrow. So I'm just trying to get the typesetting in place, and yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to replace all the italics with something. What the hell? I keep using my hand and it keeps making things happen. Why is this happening? Anyways, trying to... Right now, when I copy and paste all the text from my Word doc to InDesign, right here, it removes all the italics if I don't copy and paste it with all the styles. But if I copy and paste it with all the styles, it comes out like this, all fucking red and weird and completely fucked up. So some of the things I looked up were using regex to replace all the italic you know, text with something identifiable, and then removing all the format and then replacing all the identifiables with, you know, italic text. But it's all the instructions are from like old versions of Word and stuff, so it's really hard for me to try to find exactly the right thing. Like, nobody mentions wildcards, but that's apparently what Word means when they say regex. Whatever. I didn't want to deal with it, so I moved off that. Yeah. So I moved on to the game again, which I pushed all the code to stage, so I just want to give that a shot. Because I'm trying to remember what I wanted to work on next. I did some thinking about the game, about what the next step would be after talking to the onboarder, because that's the next step in the game. And I think it's getting your office in order, because that's basically what he does next in the book. He has to organize his office because he just moved to the facility and all his equipment's everywhere. So he has to like organize that before going to the restaurant and talking to his onboarder and getting more information about Thyrus, the whole facility. So, what? Why are you stuck, dude? Ah, looks like my update did not work. Alright. Shit. So the NPC update I made is not working. I tried to remove the interval time and make it dynamic. So set interval. No? Oh wait, that's 500. That's not right. Oh. Maybe that is right. I don't remember. What the hell was I doing? Move NPC, set interval. Oh, that's right. I was trying to create this logic where every every half a second, it would look at this loop amount. Maybe that's where I left off. Yeah, I was trying to create this way of making the regulate speed more dynamic. My brain. Well, what was I? How was I trying to do that? Right. This is the walking interval. And it was supposed to be like the first run, go. The next, yeah, here's loop amount. So I was adding how many times this loop needs to run based off of the distance. Else, and then it'll clear. Oh man, my brain must be much worse than when I wrote this originally. What are we doing here? We are looping, and here I'm dividing the transition distance by 500 because that's the milliseconds. What's the animation? Yeah, the animation I'm going for is just normal moving from one point to another. But the problem is, what I'm running into is I set a interval for 3 seconds, And every 3 seconds, it moves to the NPC's next next movement point. So like if it has 3 points, like it goes from here to here and then here to here and then here to here, I hard coded the transition points. So it'd be like from here to here. But if it takes longer than 3 seconds to start the next point, it'll stop mid transition and it'll go to the next one. So what I wanted to do was kind of measure how long it would take to get from point A to point B before it starts point B to point C. And that's why I was going to set the interval to be 500 and loop half a second. Every half a second check, like has it reached its destination? No, keep going. Has it reached its destination? No, keep going. Technically it's just how many times in half a second will it take to get to its destination. And I loop that times. And then it'll go to the next one. That being said, it doesn't seem to be working. It seems like it stopped here, which is not right. Oop. Yeah, where are we? We are. It's just like it just stopped. Yeah, because I only want to set this once. No. I want to set this... Yeah. It'll change. If it gets through this if statement, then it'll change to the next position. So it'll change the interval. So I'm not worried about the transition changing. Why not have it so when it hits its destination, trigger the next countdown to movement? So if stopped greater than or equal to 3,000 milliseconds, move here. Problem is, I don't know when it hits its destination. I'm using transition. Transition is not, it's nothing. Transition is fake. Transition is point A to point B, how long it takes to go from one to the. So like, I don't know, like there's no trigger point when it actually hits its destination. It's all math, which is what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to do like based off of the transition speed, how many times will it take half a second to hit? So like in essence, I'm doing that. I have to calculate how long it takes from it to get to point A to point B, because you know this is the whole reason why I changed the runner enemy. Like I changed its movement from transition to actual movement. Yeah, linear algebra. Yeah, I did that so that I didn't have to do this, but I still like the NPC movement with transition. I do the same thing actually for my person too. I use transition because it's like for these auto movements, it's like it's just easier because of point A to point B to point C to point D, you know. Like I don't really care where they are because I dictate where they're going. I don't need to care if they're going to go through a wall or not because I'm the one telling it where to go. So I'll go around a wall. But problem is I just need to fucking get it right. So let's see what the loop amount is. And I actually don't even know if I had this working locally yet. So now that I know what I'm working on, let's double check the local. So he has his NPC walk 3 points. So if he can do his shit, then we're good. Let's go to him. Let's go to 4 now. What do we have here for his walking path? We've got that. Okay, so he has 3 points. He goes to this first point, then here, then here. He's got a trigger. Should I make him repeat? It might be easier to tell what's going on. Huh. Maybe. I don't know if you can tell, Lava, but I got a new computer. If you can tell, my stream quality is clearer. But I got a new M3 Max, so shouldn't have any lag anymore. Alright, just throwing ideas to see if something sticks. I'm also wine drunk, so they may or may not be good. Loop add a coordinate check to see if previous coordinates, new coordinates equals start countdown. I know, about damn time. Yeah, coordinates. This is the problem with transition again. The coordinates are based off of his left and right positioning. But with the transition thing, I set the left and right to its end destination, and he transitions between the two. So I don't know where he is in between. Even if I check... No, I'm gonna get this. It's the math. It's the math. I'm not gonna rewrite the whole thing. The math is... every half a second, how many times does it take the transition period between the starting and end? So I already have how many pixels it takes to get between the 2 points. And by the way, I've been drinking copious amounts of scotch, so I'm with you, man. Look at this. Regulate transition speed. This is the magic. This math tells me, hey, Dak Dude's in the house. What's up, man? This transition distance is literally the pixels it takes to get between A and B. So if I use that number calculated with milliseconds, then I can tell, you know, the distance divided by, because each pixel is a millisecond, then I can tell that, you know, whatever the distance is divided by 500, that should be the amount of milliseconds I need to get from point A to point A to point B. So whatever number this comes out with, you know, could be 1, 2, 3. How many times 500 milliseconds takes? It should work. But I think I'm just doing something wrong. So I want to see what the loop amount is, because loop count starts at 0. And so if we can see what the amount is, let's see what loop count is. I'm guessing just my math is wrong in the loop amount. Oh, loop count. Because if I get the count and the amount in the right number, then this should work fine. And we know he has 3 different destinations, so it should work. This seems almost overcomplicated, but I can't quite put my finger on it. Yeah, it's overcomplicated because of my movement mechanisms, my auto movement. Like I said, if I made everybody move the same way that my character does, or like the enemies do, then it'd be easier because I'd know exactly what position everybody's in. But for these auto movements, it's so many intervals running at the same time to have 20 milliseconds running 7 times on the same page. It just crashes the page. So I really want to nail this down, because this will be great, because I could if I could nail down a way of tracking how long it takes an element to go from point A to point B, and I can track that down in a way where I can say trigger something when it gets to the end of point B, then I could do a lot with that logic. So I just gotta nail it down. And it's numbers. This should be completely doable. I've done everything else with math. Come on. So let's trigger his walk. Where's his walk trigger? There we go. See, this is the problem. Nan. That's probably why this is breaking. With time elements, can't you run into user side errors where stuff's triggering when it shouldn't be? No, all my trigger points are intersection based. So they have to intersect with something to make it happen. And I'm not timing it based off of like a user interaction. I'm timing it based off of my own interaction. I'm timing it based off of the transition point, the amount of transition time I give an element based off of the distance. So I already figured out how to make sure that a user or an NPC or whatever is moving doesn't move faster than it needs to. You gotta go now. Just want to say Dak dude, no problem, man. Thanks for jumping in, appreciate it. I'll see you again. I'll try to stream earlier next time. I know I was really late tonight, but thanks for stopping by. But yeah, so I'm looking at numbers that I create. So this isn't user based. This is based off of my own math. I'm not worried about that. I am wondering why the hell loop count is undefined. Loop count. Oh, I didn't put a fucking shit. Well, that's why it's undefined. Loop count is 0. Yeah, fuck the user. This is all me, man. I don't care what the user's doing. I'm trying to make a cinematic experience here where things are moving around the user at a perfect pace. Loop count. Okay. So now loop count shouldn't be 0. Is that why it's nan? Because it's okay. Hold on. This might actually work better now because I don't have loop count at 0. All right, come on. Console. Let's see what we get now. There we go. Real numbers. He's still stopping though. Look, it stopped. Loop count got to 3. 1. Loop amount went to 1. Wait, why is loop amount changing? Loop amount should stay the same. 3, 3, 1. Oh, they got to the same number. That's correct. But loop amount shouldn't... Oh, maybe it should change. Yeah. Oh, I have to reset loop count when loop amount gets hit. Oh, smart. Right. So wait. Loop count needs to get reset to 0. Ooh, I think I got this. No. I can't. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Loop gets... Yeah, okay. I'll be honest with you, Lava. I still half remember what I'm doing. This made so much more sense 3 days ago. 3 days, no, 2 days ago. Saturday, I was like, fucking Einstein, man. Now I'm like, I think I knew where I was going with this. Okay, let's try this again. I'm going to hit the trigger point. And he should keep going. Path trigger hit. Here we go. Point 1. Point 2. Why didn't it go back to 0? I don't even... Wait, what is he supposed to be doing? 1, 2, 3... Okay, where is he supposed to end? He's supposed to end at 2734 and 2344. Is that where he's ending? 2344, 2734. Shit. Okay, well he's ending in the right spot. But it's so quick. Why is it so fast? My math is off. He's ending too quick. There's no way he's supposed to be that quick. Yeah, see, 500 milliseconds? That's not right. Wait, I'm setting his milliseconds to 500? Position distance is this times multiple. It can't be a coincidence that 500 is becoming his milliseconds. What am I doing here? Let's check the distance. Oh. There's no way it's 500. Times multiple. This is just making them slower. Let's see what that ends up being. $100. It's saying 100. Oh, times 5 is 500. Okay, I guess that is a coincidence. So 300 is the, and then it goes down to 300, 300, 300, 300, 100, 100. Seems like it's only moving 2 positions? No, this is 1 position, 2 position, 3 position. Okay. Yeah, it is moving all 3 positions. Technically the logic is sound. I think the only problem I'm running into is... doesn't seem like it's the right distance. Because... okay, well I guess these are kind of close. Let's double check what this looks like again. So I want to go up here and trigger it randomly. So if I trigger it, see, all he did was move 1, 2. Yeah, he did not go through his stuff. Let's look at his element. Just doesn't seem right. So I'm going to target his element and really see what's happening to the HTML. Okay, so he's got no transition. And then we go through his trigger point. I mean, he does get 3 different transition points. So it is going through them. It's just going really quick. I just wonder, what has changed? So wait, what's the loop count and all that shit happening? So it's going 3, 0. Loop amount, loop count. Starts at 0. Then it goes to 3. Zero. Then 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. So this seems wrong. I should definitely be rounding down. So it's just 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. Maybe rounding up. I should round up, actually. I need to give it more time to move. So how do I transition distance? So if we do math, if we do math dot seal it should go to 4. Yeah, there we go. 4. Well, I'm confused though. Why does it go from 4 to 3? Why does loop amount change? It shouldn't. Wait. Is the distance changing? Distance is 300. Oh, maybe it's because the distance is changing. This should not change. That means that whatever I'm passing is changing. Why is this running again? This shouldn't be running again. So, oh. No, it has to run again. It should run again, but the position shouldn't change. That shouldn't change at all. It should stay the same. Why is it changing? So loop amount is changing. Because the distance is changing. Path array. So that's not changing. That's not changing. NPC walking speed? No, that's not changing. What is changing? So 300. Oh, wait, what is that first console coming from? It's coming from the distance. Yeah, why is the distance all of a sudden going to 300 out of nowhere? That's the weird part. Something's happening. Path. I guess we need to check this shit. Because something's happening with these 4 positions. They're changing for some reason. Let's see which one's changing. It shouldn't change until it changes to the next position. Alright, let's see what these are. Definitely shouldn't be anything different. Alright. Yeah, look, they're changing. So 2344 is turning into 2444, which is matching 2444. Look at that. They're swapping. Why are they swapping? After the first... Okay, wait. I have a first run thing. What's going on? I'm going crazy. Okay, so first run, true. Everything's good first run. Up, 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 up. Changed it to false. Got it. Then loop count changes. Oh. Maybe that's... I mean... No. I mean, I don't understand. Even if this doesn't get hit, why would position... Okay. First run. And then second run, it doesn't hit. Oh. Is it because I'm changing the position? It shouldn't. Okay. That's what's happening. First run, it's going to the next position. Okay, so first run, I shouldn't do this. Yeah, that will help. Let's try that. Get rid of this. Alright. Okay, so now that we're not changing to the next position on the first run, which is what we were doing, let's see if this works. Go. Okay. Okay, so we got 23. No, it's doing the same thing. 24. Why? Let's just double check that it compiled. Interval. Loop amount. So first run, true. Path count equals position. Change to 0, whatever. Blah, blah, blah. Position equals path count. It just seems like I should not do any of this shit until it's not the first run. Right? Because this is all based off of the interval first. So I think I'm gonna add this to like the complete beginning of this whole shit. So we should just do this. And none of this should run. Oop. Same for you. Oop. Oop. Where am I? 0.0. Okay, loop count. I can't type. Lava, help me. Just delete it and see what happens. Exactly. Just delete the whole thing. Alright, this should work. I swear. Here we go. Go. Path trigger. Yes. I think it's working. Hold on. 344. 344. Yeah, okay. It's looping correctly now. I think. Hold on. 3444. 3444. 3444. 3434. Oh wait, 3444. 3444. Wait, it shouldn't be looping this many times. It's not getting to the next position now. Shit. Or maybe it is. Hold on, let me just double check. Trigger. 1, 2, 3. That's too quick. I am seeing 3 movements. That's a plus. But why is it going so quick? Let's see what we got. Yeah. Okay, so that's the end point. 2344. No. So it's still... Oh, 2344 is left. Yes, that is the end point. Yeah, and then 2734. Okay, so it is getting to the right position eventually. Let's double check. Let's check his position as he walks and see what's going on. Okay, here we go. 1581. 1500. Yeah, it just seems like it's... Is it bad? I honestly love debugging. No. I'm glad you like it, because that's all I'm going to do. It's not bad. It's like a mystery. We must solve this mystery. Okay. So. We got 3 things happening. That's good. It does seem like the transition between the second and the third are wrong, though. So my guess is it's rounding incorrectly. Because what happens is after it hits the loop and the loop amount, you know, once they equal each other, then it's going to go through. It's going to check if the path count, the next position are the same. If not, then it's going to change the position. If it's not the first run and path count and next is greater than the next position, it'll set to 0, otherwise it'll go boop boop boop. If it's repeat path, then we'll reset that, whatever, clear interval, okay. That's going every 500 seconds. Okay. So it seems right. So now we need to, let's double check what we're getting for a loop count again. Nope. Okay. Let's see what we're getting here. Because loop amount is getting hit, and it should change based off of the distance. And from what I can tell, the distance between the first and the second position left doesn't move. So it's going straight down. It's gonna go boop, stop, boop, and then boop. Yeah, so it goes to its first destination, it goes down, and then goes left, and that's it. But it seems like these two should take a longer time, because 300 pixels divided by 500. Yeah, I'm interested actually how far it thinks it's supposed to go. So let's actually check. Nope, don't need you anymore. I need to check the diff dist. I'm interested. Yeah, and I'm timesing it by 5, so it should be 1500 technically. Which should be 3. Okay. Let's see what we're getting here. Okay. Huh. So the distance is 316. That's the first one. Makes sense. Then I'm just going down 300 pixels, and I'm going to the left 100 pixels. So it's correct. I guess it's right. The logic's correct. It's 4 times. It goes 4. Once it hits the 4th, it's 3. So 1, 2, 3, and then 1. Quick. So is that right? You know how I'll know? Let me push this logic up. If he still's cutting, if Salverson's cutting through walls still to get to his destination, then I'll know. No, you know how I'll know actually? Let's double check his position. Let's see if he gets to his position before changing. There's no way for me to know that. Alright, let's just push it up. Boop. That'll do it. Can you try for my versus code? VS Code? Tatea. First of all, welcome to the chat on YouTube. What do you mean? Can you try for my VS Code? Yes, some VS Code you want me to try? That's an IDE. Or are you saying, do you want me to try using VS Code instead of PHP Storm? Because I can definitely tell you right now, I'm not going to use VS Code. Yes, Lava, I agree. I'm not like super into VS Code. I'm just, honestly, I'm not a JavaScript programmer by nature. I mean, that's all I use for the front end, but VS Code is better for, Node and React and JavaScript frameworks, but yeah. End of sentence. That's it. All right. Let's see. So he should make it to his office, and he should not go through walls. That's basically what I'm trying to avoid here. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually, I'll probably just restart the whole game. Let's see here. If the code pushed by now. I completely forgot. I think I just got like an epiphany of logic. I wasn't even supposed to be like trying to fix this NPC movement issue. I just finished the whole leveling system and I got stuck in this for some reason. Yeah, alright, let's turn you on. Here we go. Will he get to his destination? Boop. Dot, 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 dot. Alright, I'm gonna follow you. Can he get there? No, I don't think the code pushed yet. Okay. That's fine. Oh, shit. It worked. I mean, he took a sweet ass time, but it worked. Okay. Huh. I think the rounding up might have been too long. Oh, I did console it. Oh, what did I get in the console? Here we go. Oh, cool. I can watch it. Okay, so the distance is 838 pixels, which makes sense. It's going to take 9. Right, I'm rounding up. So 9 loops. Oh, why is it starting at 0 again? I don't like that. That's basically 10. Yeah. Oh, look, see, it's looping through 0 twice. Okay. I think I know why. God damn it. Stop. Don't send. I must be resetting it to 0 on the first loop. I thought I put that in the if statement. I guess I'm wrong. 0. No. What's getting set to 0? Loop count's getting set to 0. 0. See, that's first. Oh, first run it should not get hit. Wait. If false equals first run, why are you getting set to 0 then? If first run is not false. I don't know. It is though. Huh. I know this is kind of a cop-out. But what if I set this to -1? Or, no, that's the wrong way. I want to go to 1. What if I set this to 1? No, because then I'll just hit 1 twice. Interesting. So this is kind of fucking me. Oh wait, if it's getting set to 0 twice, maybe I don't need to set it to 0 at all? Well, the problem was it needs to get set to 0 at the end. Which should be here, but not the first run. Yeah, so what? So why are you getting set to 0 twice? Well, there's one way to figure this out. Console log 0 again. Alright, let's double check this locally. Because I didn't think it was getting 0 twice, was it? Oh, it is doing 0 twice. Why am I not paying attention? That's so weird. What? Why'd you log me out, lava? God damn it. I don't know my password. Okay. Look at that. 0 twice. 0 again. Okay, well, at least we know 0 is getting set correctly. So wait, why is it getting 0 twice if it's not getting set here? That would have been a waste of time. Good thing I checked. Okay, so that's correct. So loop count, 0. It goes through the interval, doop doop doop. Oh, I guess it just doesn't get reset. So this is correct. It gets hit once. Oh. 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 No. Here. Right? Because I have to set it once. Yeah. Yes. Maybe in the else. Yeah. Yes. I think this will work. Oh my god. We're getting there. I swear we're getting there. This is gonna work. This is gonna work. Right here. Right here. Right here. Check this out. This is gonna work. It won't duplicate 0 now. Watch. Boom. Fucking money. Alright, let's push this up. We got this. We got this. Motherfucker. Okay, he's gonna make it to his destination, and he's not gonna lag. And then I think it's just perfect code. Or whatever. Yeah, this is it. This is the fix. So now he'll just go whoop up up, and I'll go whoop up up, and that'll be it. He'll go to his office without going through walls. So that lag will it'll be completely gone. Alright, let's see if it deployed. Yeah, okay. What? Let's check this out. Talk to the boss. Boom. It worked. Oh shit, I'm too slow. Huh. It's still really slow. I wonder why. Interesting. I mean, it worked, but it just feels like 9 is too long to get to his destination. Wait, why did I do 9 twice? Wait, what? It went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. And then did 9 again. 838 is not the distance for both. I don't think so, at least. Why did it... That means that the loop amount's not changing. That means that the distance isn't changing. Meaning... the positions aren't changing. Which means the position's not changing. So yeah, we need to check that position. Well, the position obviously changed because he went to his next destination. No, but it's not changing here. Yeah, next position. So this is all work. Okay, well, I guess the only way that could work is if the position worked too. Wait, are you telling me that he has the exact same... Hold up. Wait a minute. There's no freaking way that that walking distance is the same. It seems way longer. So the walking position is 1816. That gets him there. And left is the same as his current left. Oh no, it's not. It really should be. I don't know why I didn't set the same. 2390. That way he's going in a straight line. It's easier to tell. But then he goes, okay, so from 2843, 1816. Let's see that distance. It's 2843 minus 1816. So that's 1027. So 900's wrong. It should actually be 10, or 9 is wrong. It should be 10 for that kind of distance. Oh, well, yeah, maybe because the top, I mean, because the left wasn't completely right, it was minusing off. Maybe. Okay, so I'll give it to him. It rounded. Yeah, but it rounded up. Why was it getting 900? I guess I can't completely understand how this math works, but... Oh, it's times 5. Times 5. Distance times 5. Oh, well, divided by 5. 100. Times 5. Transition speed added by, oh, okay, divided by 5. It just seems wrong. It's not 900. It doesn't seem right. And then what? That's 300. Five. $510. 810. They're just different. It's not the same distance. So let's double check when I match those other ones. Okay, let's see what we got. Go, go, go. What the hell? See, look at that. It went to 10 now. That's also going to 10. Yeah, it just seems like the number's not changing. Like the positions are changing, but these numbers are just the same shit. It's just looping twice, which is really weird. Like why would the position change, but the distance not change? Like none of this is changing. That means that position, next position. Alright. Well, I got on late. And now I am too tired to fix this massive issue. So, I think I'm gonna raid somebody. I feel like I'm in need of a raid. Who shall be raided tonight? Oh.
Understand?
Someone shall be raided by me. But yeah, I appreciate everybody on YouTube jumping in and out of my YouTube live, you know, shorts feed that I set up. And I also appreciate everybody on the regular YouTube feed. And yeah, I think the only thing left to do is try to raid somebody that's on that I love. Let's see. Nobody's on. What the hell? Grumble Up Pugs, fucking Seashell Studios, even Sushi Dragon. Nobody's on when I want them to be on. Then I refuse to raid. Unless somebody cool pops up. What about making a goblin game? What? Sure. He's got 15 dudes on. Alright. Appreciate your time, everybody. I will catch you in the next stream. And I'll try to be on correct time next time. And not too late. Have a good night. And yeah, I'll see you soon. So I'll say, see you later, Twitch. We about to raid. And goodbye, YouTube.